Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy jogging bandana. Now this little bandana is going to keep your ears warm, and as you saw from the pictures it's really pretty as well, and it's very simple how to do this. I did this one in a long length like this, and then I joined it. I'm going to show you how to do this little join. It's really easy. You can do it this way if you want. You can do a chain of about 20-25 stitches, whatever width that you need it for your head, and you can work up this way almost like a little mini scarf. This one I did along this way. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really quick and it's so simple, especially for a beginner. You can use any stitch you want. I'm going to do it as a little sample, and I'm going to do my chain this way and then show you how to build it up. But it's really pretty as well. So to do the headband, I've used this yarn. It's called Hayfield Spirit. Now that's a double knitting yarn. It's made by Sirdar and it's nice and soft as well. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to wrap my yarn around my fingers like this. Just put your hook up under there and pull the yarn through like this, and then slide it up your hook. Now this is a 4.5mm hook. I've got a 4.5mm hook today. So to do my chain, you're just going to wrap your yarn around your hook and pull it through that first slip knot. Around your hook and pull it through your next stitch. Don't do it too tight. Don't pull too tight once you pull the yarn through. It's better to have your chain just a little bit loose. And around your hook and through your stitch, around your hook and through your stitch. You do this until it's as long as you want it. Now if you're going long ways, then I would just suggest about 25 stitches. I'm just going to show you a little sample of how I did this. So just do your chain to the length of stitches. Please don't ask me how long to do the chain, because I don't know how wide your head is, or whether you're going to do it this long way. If you're going to do it the short way like a scarf and up, or a big long length. I'm just showing you roughly how to do this. It's really easy. So just do your chain. I'll do a little sample. So let's pretend that's big enough. So I'm going to start with the double crochets to show you. I'm going to count 2 chains and then put my hook through the chain and pull your yarn through. You don't do a yarn over to begin with a double crochet. Put your yarn over and pull it right through those 2 loops. Into the next stitch, pull your yarn through, you've got 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops all the way to the end, and that's it. You just, if you want to do your whole headband like that, just do this row after row after row until it's as big as you need it. So yarn through, hook through your stitch, pull your yarn through your 2 loops all the way to the end. We're just going to do a double crochet, that's in UK terms, single crochet for USA terms, all the way to the end. So I've got to the end of this row. I'm going to chain 1, chain 1 more, so we're chaining 2 and we're going to turn our work, and you're going to work in to the next stitch. Just your double crochet, 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way along, then you'll chain 2 and turn, and do the same. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It's so basic, this one, but it's still so pretty. One double crochet into each stitch, build up your headband, so when you get to the end you're going to chain 2 and turn and work back, get to the end, chain 2 and turn and work back again. So once you've got your panel done, this is wide enough to go around my head. I'm going to fold it in half like this. This is my sewing in. Fold it in half like this, and you're going to bring your 2 edges up here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to sandwich them in between each other like this. This is the quickest and easiest way to do this. I did tell you that this headband is really easy. So once you've folded it and you've got your open end like this, bring them up together, make sure it's not twisted, bring them up together, and you're going to put one inside the other like this. Just bring your edges in, make sure it's all even, that you've got the right amount on either side for your 4 layers. I've got my needle. So what I'm going to do is make sure you get those corners. I'm going to go through this end, make sure I've got the corner of that middle one, through the edge of this one, and through the corner of this outside layer. You can tie that in a knot if you want. Just tie it in a knot to hold it in place to start with. Really easy. Make sure all your layers are up beside each other. I'm going to go through that corner again. Make sure it all catch all the 4 layers. You must make sure you catch all the 4 layers and stitch right through those 4 layers, nice and snug. You don't want it to come off or work its way loose when it's wrapped around your head. And this is what's going to make that twist. This is how it makes that twist. Make sure you've got all your layers. 1, 2, that third one, and that one. I'm going to stitch all the way up and all the way back. And then wriggle it down. That'll hide that end. And we've got this edge sewed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it, pull it all inside back out like that, and you get your perfect little twist in your hairband. Now this part here is the chain that I started with. I've got that down the bottom. That's a little bit more loose than that very last row that we did. So that's the little bandana complete. Your stitching line is tucked under here and it's still nice and soft. It's not going to hurt your head. It's going to keep all your hair in place, it's going to keep your ears warm, and it's going to look really pretty if you're out walking or jogging, or if you're just out and about in the cold weather and you need something to keep your ears warm. You can make this in a smaller version for a child. You can have this as a neck warmer as well. You can actually just slip this down around your neck, have this at the front, and it does become a neck warmer too. It's up to you. Or make two, have one around your neck and one up around your ears to keep your ears warm in the winter time. So thank you very much for watching. Please give this little bandana a try. It's really easy, especially for a beginner, and it makes a lovely gift as well. So please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button. I really do appreciate all the moral support that I get from my subscribers. Also, if you click on the little bell icon, you'll get notified when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.